close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, I'm gonna jump straight into the video. The way that I like to do my highlights is I like to separate the hair. So I got some rubber bands. Well, these are not rubber bands, but like hair ties. Separated it from the back, and then I like did the front area different, and I'm just showing you guys how I separated each section. You're gonna see why I did it this way. I feel like it is a lot easier this way. So let's continue. So I remove the first rubber band, and what I do is I kind of use my hand and I go in and I pick one piece, and then I go and pick another piece. Like I'll pick like 3 or 4 pieces, and then I'll tie the hair that I don't want to highlight back down, and then I'll leave out the pieces that I want to add the bleach onto. For the bleach that I'm using, I don't even think I showed you guys on the video what I'm using, but I am using the BW2 bleach and a 30 volume developer. So I just glide the bleach onto the strands that I want to bleach. As you can see, it doesn't have to be super perfect, but I try to like make it kind of like glide on, and you kind of have to be kind of artistic with this. So that's kind of like what I'm doing. I'm like trying to be artistic, but at the same time I know I need to get this done at a certain frame of time, because I'm not trying to waste too much time on each piece of hair. It's like I start off in the back first, and then I go to the front, because the bleach will bleach pretty fast, and you don't want the front to be super bright and then the back to be super dull. So that's why I start in the back. Also, I recommend using gloves and, you know, kind of like going back over the strands that you use with, I forgot what this tool is called, but the hair tool that I use, the little hair brush thing that I use to like put the bleach on. Yeah, I go back with my hands to make sure that the strands are really saturated with the bleach. Okay, so when you are done, you are going to foil it up. I think the foil makes the process a lot quicker, especially if you don't want to sit there forever waiting to see if the bleach has bleached. So that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of just wrapping each strand that I place the bleach on and wrapping it up with foil. And it's literally that simple, guys. I continued doing this with each section in the back, and I repeated that same like method in the front.
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways,
This was so time consuming, oh my gosh, but I only recorded the back, but I literally did the exact same thing in the front portion of the hair. And I'm also going to give you guys a review on this hair and the quality, how it was after I bleached it and everything. So keep watching because you're going to see a review on the hair.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that this video was helpful. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.